All right, David, we have a new CBS News New York Times poll out this morning that shows 85% of NRA households support background checks on all gun buyers. Are you out of touch with your own membership?
Not at all. We actually are polling our members as well as other gun owners and Second Amendment supporters. You know, the NRA has been one of the biggest supporters of the so-called NICS system, which provides background checks. In the past, when they were talking about checks at gun shows, most guns sold at gun shows do involve a background check because they're sold by licensed dealers.
But 40% of guns are from private sales. So would you
most of those are not
private?
at gun shows. But let me make my point. At the gun shows, we suggested to the Bureau of Alcohol, Tobacco, and Firearms some years ago, if they want everybody that makes an exchange there checked, all they have to do is provide a booth and do it. They said, no, we weren't interested in that. We weren't going to fund it.
So, David,
the difficulty comes in when you're talking about you and me as next door neighbors and you buy a new shotgun and want to sell one to me. How do you enforce a background check on that? We want to see the proposal. But as a general proposition, the NRA has been very supportive of doing background checks on purchasers through the instant system, and secondly, of adding the potentially violently mentally ill to the database, which most states and the federal government have up to now not done.
David,
the president now says he'll do that, and that's good.